Hi, my name is Melissa Perkins. Today I would like to introduce a case study that I did after reading about Golden Oak High School and an attendance challenge that was outlined to Mr. Rhodes, a new principal to the high school. And it was outlined to him by the superintendent. Upon getting that information, he did review some data, including 5 students that are at the high school, and summarized his findings based on that. So I gave a recommendation based on what I found here and other learning from this course. I very much enjoyed doing the case study and think this is a great tool to use in future classrooms. I do believe there is different schools of thought or different folks out there that benefit from inductive versus deductive reasoning, and I think it's a great tool to use so that the point of what was found in the case, what happened in the case, and what was the outcome can be seen in this case or in future other cases. So I hope you enjoy my presentation, and thank you very much.